Lab Guy here on Potato Cam. This is a potato cam. Okay, I'm going to give you today's very quick, down and dirty, really nasty, obscene even, update. And that's all you're going to get. And then you'll have to stand by for more. So, on with the show. Here's a close-up look at the power supply board. We have the plus and minus 12 volt side rectifiers, filter caps, and this is the 3 terminal loops where the regulators attach. This side is where the 32 volt winding transformer connects, rectifiers, filter cap, simple regulation circuit, with the help of my friend Howie once again, help me sort it out. Initial debug was funky, needless to say, and I traced it down to a blown Zener diode, which now is living right here on the bottom because this cheap, rotten circuit board, you can only solder these pads once and then they come off, so there was nowhere left to mount the damn diode. So do not use this board. This is bad stuff. So I'm stuck with it for now. This is the regulation circuit, and as you can see, I put the output terminals over here. They're my standard loops, and we have minus 12 volts and ground, plus 12 volts and ground, and the variable B plus for the horizontal scan and ground. So this guy is now fully operational and ready to go back into the chassis of the Chief. The board is now installed in the chassis. If you look back here, you can see the minus 12 volt regulator and the plus 12 volt regulator, who are heat sinked, well, whatever. They're attached to the case. The negative regulator has a mica insulator beneath it and insulation on the screw so that it doesn't short to the case. The positive regulator can ground to the case, and then this is the past transistor's heat sink and transistor for the approximately 30 volt circuit to drive the horizontal scan over here. The yoke leads come out of that grommet right there and are currently extra long because we still may have to rotate the yoke. And that is now ready for a DC wiring harness, but I'm not even going to do that because we are going to have to do some 3D printing first to build the upper unit on top of the stack, which will contain the video preamplifier. So please stand by for that. This is the very short potato cam update of our current status, because I know you all want to know. One additional thing. I know you want to know. Here's the top cover now with the old BNC jack removed. This is the circuit board for the preamplifier, yet to be built. This is the can that the preamplifier will go into, and his lid. You see, I've been measuring things to get ready for 3D printing, and we have the gnarliest, niftiest thing you've ever seen. This is called a pogo pin, and it's called that because, like a pogo stick, boing, 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 it can be pressed in and out a nominal amount to make contact, and this one has a beautiful cup that will mate precisely with the center contact on the monoscope tube, and that sums up where I'm at with the design of the Chief at this instant. So, Lab Guy out.